The straight line stability of the car was pretty good. I think I reached 175, 180. It was showing 180 on the speedo, and lane changes were not a problem. Even at 140, 160, you can still do lane changes, and there wasn't really much body roll. But I don't think I'll ever try this again, even if it's an empty road, because the braking performance was not good at all. I think while I was doing 175 and applied the brakes, I was able to feel vibrations on the steering, and the car just didn't feel stable under harsh braking. So I would highly discourage anyone trying such high speeds. The engine is capable, but not the chassis, not the brakes. So I would say at highways, even if you are on 6-lane highways with very less traffic, 130 should do, 130, 140 if you're overtaking. Otherwise, if you just want to cruise, I think the safest is 120. When I say safest, the safest speed where you can like have control over this car with respect to its braking is 120. I think it did 0 to 100 in 10.5 seconds. I'll have to go back and check the video. I'll be doing the same test on Sonnet, so stay tuned for that, and probably Kailak as well. I think Fronx is quicker than both Sonnet and Kailak, but I'll do a similar test for these cars on the same roads, and we'll get to know.